Hello, this is Lisa Cardoza. I'm going to be talking about the Trello free web-based tool for teachers and also employers. It follows the ISTE Standards for Education Leaders 3.3c, inspire a culture of innovation and collaboration that allows the time and space to explore and experiment with digital tools. Also for coaches, to create a shared vision and culture for using technology to learn and accelerate transformation through the coaching process. This is what I will be doing at my current job at the Mental Health Center. Trello is a free tool to be used across multiple devices. It allows supervisors and employees or teachers and students to create workspaces that allow organization of projects, tasks within a project, and monitoring progress of projects by creating to-do cards with checklists. From the website Education Corner, I got this. It says it syncs via a cloud across all devices, so they will never be without their work schedule. You can create multiple lists of tasks to be done, upload images, assign tasks to other students in a group, and it's particularly useful when students are doing a group project. You or your students can share to-do lists to work through together. Okay, so you just go to Trello.com and set up a free account. It's very simple. I've already set up a few workspaces, and that's where this all begins. You set up a workspace based on what you want. I've set up my billing department at the Iroquois Center. Then I have a classroom one and a math class that I was playing around with. So you would just start by creating the workspace you'd like, name it what you want. I'm going to go right into one that I have already created. So this is my workspace. And each of these boxes are boards. And within the boards are cards, so you can create a card. I've created one there. You open it up. You can invite members to that card, create labels, checklists, and to create a checklist, you can just add what you need here for a student, if it's a student, or an employee if you're using it at work. And once they have done what is on the checklist, it marks it off, and you can see it in real time how far along on that project you are. There's also dates. You can set up a date that it has to be done by. And once something like this is the beginning of a project, maybe I want to put it in the to-do list for this person, and then once they have it completed, that's to doing, and then done. And then as a supervisor or a teacher, you can go in and see, is this actually completed? No, it's not, so let's pull it back over into the to-do list for that person. And that's pretty much it. There's a lot of different things you can do on this. You can use power-ups right here, and there's a lot of different, like Google Drive and things that you can integrate within this Trello board. Thank you.